Welcome to HeatSign. Today, let's walk through how to install your water-cooled laser marking machine step by step. Place the column on the workbench and secure it with 4 screws. Secure this small tabletop firmly in place. Place the column on the workbench and secure it with 4 screws. Align the galvanometer to the sliding rails. Make sure the holes match up, then lock it in place with screws. Attach the display screen to the bracket using 4 screws. Now connect the power supply, then plug the display into the marking machine. Now connect the entire machine to the power supply. Insert the laser heads to tubes into the water cooler. Check the flow direction. Outlet and inlet must not be reversed. Secure the water cooling machine to the laser head using 4 screws. To add water, remove the inlet cap and outlet plug. Connect the pipe to the water tank. Turn on the switch. Press the water filling switch if water flows out of the water outlet. It means that the water tank is full. After filling with water, lock both the water inlet and vent. For drainage, open the ventilation port and unscrew the drain cover at the front. Click the switch on the screen, and the chiller will start filling with water.